Today we can discuss about the topic constitutional awareness. We know that the worth of a country is always determined by the quality and character of its population. Education is very important in molding people's personalities and qualities. In today's world, there is an urgent need to promote fundamental rights, human rights, fundamental duties, and so on. So, it is important to have a better understanding of the Constitution. But we all are aware of the Constitution. We have learned Constitution topics in our school classes. In every school and colleges, nowadays we are celebrating a Constitution Day. But the reality is, Constitution Day is a one-day affair with some activities. Simple constitutional knowledge disseminated through certain activities like reading the preamble, conducting quiz or essay competitions in schools and colleges will not help students to become patriotic citizens who accept their fellow citizens as they are regardless of their caste, creed, social status, and regard everyone as equal. Basic concepts like secularism, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, fundamental rights had been discussed in our classrooms. And we wrote these concepts in examination and scored good marks. But still, there are so many ideological clashes, rising intolerance among people of various communities, growing inequality, suppression of women's rights. Why these are happening? Reason is simple because we have not learned constitution in a meaningful way. So what is constitution? We know that every game have some rules of its own. Cricket has one set of rules and Kabaddi has a different set of rules. These rules are there to fix the structure of the game. Like that, society has fundamental laws that describe and differentiate it from other type of societies. Constitution is the set of written rules that are accepted by all the people living together in a country. It determines the relationship between people and the government. Constitution is a supreme law that is binding even on the government. So what is the importance of understanding Constitution in today's context? Indian Constitution is a great source of human values, emphasizing on promoting humanism. The key values that we can learn from Constitution are equality and a positive discrimination for the welfare of deprived. Then commitment to justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, secularism, democracy, socialism, and so on. These are also the well accepted core national values of India. Constitution teaches us individual values like truth, dharma, ahimsa, and so on. Constitution teaches us to be impartial and tolerant in our attitude and public interaction. The value of impartiality can be adopted in our public interaction, where we do not treat people differently because of their caste, religion, etc. Another important thing is liberty of thought, expression, belief, or faith is necessary for all-round development of an individual. These values can be cherished only if show tolerance towards people with different opinion and views. Constitution teaches the value of fraternity that promote the spirit of common brotherhood among all citizens. That is why There are lot of initiatives are doing for creating awareness about constitution at all levels. Then only we can integrate constitutional values in young generation minds so that these values will ultimately influence their behavior.